Hello, welcome. This is Austin from Tclassified.com. Today we are going to be looking at we're going to be delivering lectures in a series of courses that will enable you to become a full stack developer. And when we say full stack developer, what do we mean by full stack developer? If you're in the software engineering world, you're going to be hearing the terms back-end developer, front-end developer, full stack developer, software engineer, and the rest of them. And every of these titles, they have their various job descriptions. So if you want to be a software engineer that can develop a website like this is a website owned by a company or organization known as Node.js. This is a Facebook website. So anything you're seeing whenever you look into your web applications, you're seeing what we call UI. So the people that design the UI, they are known as the front-end engineers. Then every UI you're looking at is connected to a database. Like all these videos that I uploaded, they are connected to a database that stores the information. So the people that design the database, they are known as the back-end engineers. Now when you hear the word full stack simply means an engineer that can do both the front end and back end. And that is the lectures that I'm going to be bringing to you is one that will help you to become a full stack. So what it means is that you'll be able to do both the front end and the back end. You'll be able to design something like this. You can do develop a full website that can function very effectively. So what are the examples of websites that you see every day? Like your school website, your school portal is a website that is done by a full stack engineer or a combination of both back end and front end engineers. So, and the stack that we're going to be using for this lecture is JavaScript. We are going to be using JavaScript. There are a couple of languages that you can use to do full stack. You can use Python, you can use Java, you can use PHP. But because of the innovations in the area of JavaScript, that's why we're going to be using JavaScript for our lessons, because JavaScript has taken it into top notch in terms of designs of UX, user experience. When you hear the word UX simply means user experience, and that is the kind of experience that you make somebody to have when you have a very good UI. UI simply means user interface, and user interface is what you see whenever you look at a website. Like I'm saying here, this Node website is a user interface that enables the client to work with the services. So in this series of courses that we'll be delivering starting from today, I'm going to be showing us the major installations that you need to do before you start any of this software development, whether you're preparing to become a back-end engineer or you're preparing to become a front-end engineer. So like I said before, the stack or the programming language that we're going to be using is JavaScript. So we're going to start with JavaScript. I'm not going to be teaching you the basics of JavaScript. I already have courses in JavaScript on my YouTube channel. So you can hit up the playlist and check out my basic JavaScript tutorials. In this lecture, I'm going to be teaching you the actual application of the use of that knowledge of JavaScript to start designing as a back-end, front-end, and as a full stack engineer using the stack JavaScript to design. So first of all, we're going to download the basic engine that we're going to be using for this, and that is Node. Node is a runtime environment that you can use to develop applications in JavaScript, and that's why we're going to be downloading Node first. So to get started, simply hook up to your browser and type in this address, nodejs.org. So once you type nodejs.org, you're going to be led to this website. Then you're going to see two buttons, one saying the recommended LTS. LTS simply means long time support. Then you have the current. This is the latest version that is in use. But the difference between the current and the one with long time support is that this one has been used by so many people and has been found not to have any problem. The current is the one that is just released, so it can still be having some bugs. So you always advise to download the long time support, the one that has support, the one that has been used by several engineers and is working. So just click on it. So So once you click on it, it will start downloading, or it will lead you to where you can download it. So once we download this Node.js, we will install it, then we can start coding JavaScript immediately and start developing as full stack engineers. So I'm going to be stopping this in this first class. In subsequent classes we are going to move more. This is actually an introductory course to this. Please, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button by this side of the screen. If you really like it, click on the like and share it so that your friends can see them. If you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for your subscription and support. Thank you, and God bless you.